A three-row crossover gets put through the ringer regularly by families and road trippers. And the 2025 Kia Sorento Hybrid masters those tasks while also conserving fuel. Two different versions are offered, a conventional hybrid and a plug-in, PHEV, both with adequate acceleration and both available with all-wheel drive. The plug-in is the most powerful, with 261 horsepower on tap, and it provides up to 32 miles of electric-only driving. Once the PHEV's battery is depleted on longer drives, the standard hybrid setup becomes more efficient, as it delivered 31 mpg in our 200-mile highway fuel economy test. That's lower than its EPA estimate, but still quite efficient among three-row SUVs, and 6 mpg better than the PHEV in that same test. The Sorento Hybrid's cabin is practical and spacious in the first two rows, though the rearmost seat is a space best left for kids. Tech is plentiful here, with connectivity features and driver assists coming standard throughout the lineup. The Sorento Hybrid is powered by a turbocharged 1.6-liter four-cylinder gas engine and an electric motor that combine for 227 horsepower. Front-wheel drive and a 6-speed automatic transmission are standard. All-wheel drive is available as an option. The plug-in hybrid powertrain consists of the same basic setup, but a more powerful electric motor brings combined horsepower up to 261 ponies. All-wheel drive is standard on the plug-in. The Sorento Hybrid's road manners are composed, if a little bland, but compared to the base non-hybrid model, its acceleration is noticeably perkier. Get on the throttle heavily in front-drive models, though, and you'll feel a little torque steer tug through the steering wheels as the tires struggle to maintain grip. The Sorento's interior has an attractive layout, nice materials, and solid build quality. The dashboard is bookended by two upright air vents, but is otherwise simple in its design. Ambient lighting is smartly incorporated into the cabin, and stitched surfaces on the door panels and seat inserts provide an upscale appearance. A variety of cubby storage spots and cup holders contribute to the Sorento's family-friendly mission. Second-row captain's chairs and a two-place third-row bench are both standard. Adults will have no trouble finding a comfortable position in the front and second-row seats, but the third row is snug for riders larger than a teen. With infotainment and connectivity features at the forefront of new car technology, the Sorento supports all of the most desirable content. The hybrid model comes standard with a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a 6-speaker stereo, in-dash navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Sirius XM satellite radio. Upgrade to the SX Prestige trim, and you'll get a 12.3-inch digital gauge display and a 12-speaker Bose stereo. The price of the 2025 Kia Sorento Hybrid starts at $409,905 and goes up to $54,505, depending on the trim and options. We like the EX, although it's the base model. It comes standard with faux leather upholstery, heated front seats, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and remote start.